Hello students, welcome to topperseducation.com. In this video we are going to discuss NCERT Class 8 Chapter 2 Linear Equation in One Variable. And now let us discuss some examples in solving equations having variable on both sides. That is, up to now we have seen the equations that is having only variable on one side, either in LHS or in RHS. But now we are seeing the equations that are having variable on both sides. Here the equation is nothing but the equality of values of two expressions. That is, LHS should be equal to RHS. Now let us see one equation, that is 2x minus 3 equals to 7. Here we have two expressions, that is, in previous examples we have seen RHS is just a number and this is about previous, but sometimes both sides will have expressions with variables. Now let us see one example for this is 2x minus 3 equals to x plus 2, and this is the example. In this equation it has two expressions, that is 2x minus 3 is nothing but LHS and x plus 2 is nothing but RHS. Now let us solve some of the examples in these following equations. Now let us solve the example problems, that is, first one is 2x minus 3 equals to x plus 2. Here in this equation we have 2x minus 3 is LHS and x plus 2 is RHS. Now we have to solving this equation, that is 2x minus 3 equals to x plus 2, and now these 3 to be taken to the RHS side, that is 2x equals to x plus 2 plus 3, that equals to x plus 5, and now the equation equals to, that is 2x equals to x plus 5. Now here the x should be subtracted in RHS. In order to that we have to subtract both LHS and RHS with x, that is 2x minus x equals to x plus 5 minus x. This x and this x cancel. 2x minus x equal to x, that equals to 5, and x equals to 5 is the solution of the equation. Now let us see another example, that is solve 5x plus 7 by 2 equals to 3 by 2x minus 14. Here 7 by 2 and 3 by 2 is rational number, and now this 2 in LHS and RHS should be removed. In order to remove that we should multiply both LHS and RHS with 2, that is multiplying with 2 on both sides. 5x plus 7 by 2 into 2 equals to 3 by 2x minus 14 into 2. Now here 2 into 5x, that is 10x, plus 7 by 2 into 2 equals to 3 by 2x into 2 minus 14 into 2. Here 2 get cancelled, and here also, and now 10x plus 7 equals to 3x minus 14 into 2, 28. And now the variables should be taken to the one side and the numbers to be other side, and that is 10x minus 3x equals to the 7 to be taken to RHS, that is minus 28 minus 7, and now 7x equals to minus 35, x equals to minus 35 by 7, that is minus 5, and now x equals to minus 5 is the solution of the equation. This is about the some of the example problems in exercise 2.3. In the next video we will discuss exercise 2.3 problems. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.